ASRock reached out to me and asked me, can I help build more awareness for their product here in South Africa? So this isn't a review, that is coming, I promise, and I'm going to be testing their Intel Arc GPUs. This is more of a general look of ASRock as a whole in South Africa. I've used a lot of their hardware over the years, from the Z790 Taichi Carrara, that was on my Intel test bench, to the XX70E Taichi Carrara, that was on my AMD setup, and honestly, both have been rock solid. When reviewing, you always want to get the best out of your gear, and they've always managed to get the best out of the components that I was testing. That's kind of what ASRock does best and what they've been known for, building clean, capable gear that performs without overpricing or overhyping. They are not loud about it, but they do deliver. I even had one of their RX 7900 XT. It's Founders Edition card at the time. All of those cards were pretty much the same. They all looked identical, but I was able to overclock that thing like crazy. It handled way more than I expected and stayed stable. It's a sort of build quality that's easy to overlook until you've actually used it. Now I know that the X870 launch stirred the pot a little bit, so maybe steer clear of that one for now, but one dodgy chipset doesn't undo years of solid boards. ASRock's got a strong record and that's worth remembering. What's cool is that we are finally seeing more ASRock gear available locally in South Africa, and for me that's a big win. More choice means better options, more competition, which generally means better pricing for builders, gamers, and creators at home. So yeah, consider this video as a reminder to look out for ASRock as it becomes more prevalent and available in South Africa. The review of the Arc range is coming soon, but for now, it's good to see a brand like ASRock getting more love locally. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Look forward to seeing you on the next one. Cheers and goodbye.